In a grand launch event held recently, Lenovo, the renowned tech giant, raised the bar for gaming enthusiasts worldwide by introducing a trifecta of powerful gaming devices under its esteemed Legion range. The event showcased the remarkable Legion Y34w gaming monitor, the innovative Legion Y700 2023 gaming tablet, and a highly anticipated Lenovo Legion Y9000X 2023 gaming laptop. The latter, in particular, has already generated considerable buzz within the gaming community due to its impressive specs and features. The Lenovo Legion Y9000X 2023 gaming laptop is engineered to deliver an unparalleled gaming experience, combining top-tier performance, cutting-edge technology, and stunning aesthetics. Let's delve into the detailed specifications and features that make this gaming beast stand out from the competition. The Lenovo Legion Y9000X 2023 boasts a stunning 16-inch PureSight Pro display, with a 3.2K resolution of 3200 by 2000 pixels. Gamers will be treated to breathtaking visuals with 100% coverage of the P3 color gamut and an impressive peak brightness of 430 nits. The display's fast 165Hz refresh rate ensures buttery smooth graphics and a lag-free gaming experience, enhancing immersion in every game. Under the hood, the Legion Y9000X 2023 packs a punch with the latest 13th Gen Intel Core i9-13900H processor. Accompanied by the powerful NVIDIA RTX 4000 series graphics card, including up to an RTX 4070 variant, the laptop promises seamless performance, even in the most demanding modern AAA titles. Gamers can expect astonishing graphics fidelity and smooth frame rates to elevate their gaming adventures to new heights. To support uninterrupted multitasking, the laptop comes equipped with 32 GB of high-speed DDR5-5200 RAM. This ensures that switching between applications, streaming, and gaming is seamless and lag-free. Furthermore, the laptop features a lightning-fast 1TB PCIe 4.0 storage, offering ample space for game installations, media files, and more. The Lenovo Legion Y9000X 2023 is developed to stay cool under pressure, thanks to its advanced cooling system. The laptop features a new 90mm fan, optimizing heat dissipation during intense gaming sessions. This ensures that the device maintains peak performance, prevents overheating, and minimizes the risk of throttling, providing a smooth and uninterrupted gaming experience. Lenovo understands the importance of audio quality in gaming. To deliver an exceptional audio experience, the Legion Y9000X 2023 is equipped with a Harman-branded speaker system enhanced with smart amp technology. This combination guarantees rich, immersive sound, allowing gamers to fully immerse themselves in their favorite games or movies. Despite its powerful hardware, the Legion Y9000X 2023 maintains a remarkably slim profile, measuring just 17.6mm thin. It's also impressively lightweight, weighing in at only about 2.1 kilograms, making it an ideal companion for gamers on the move. To keep gaming sessions uninterrupted, the laptop is powered by a sizable 99.9 kWh battery, supporting rapid charging of up to 140 watts. This means gamers can quickly get back to their adventures without extended downtime. For seamless online gaming and connectivity, the laptop comes equipped with Wi-Fi 6E support, ensuring smooth and lag-free online experiences. The base model of the Legion Y9000X 2023 is equipped with the powerful NVIDIA RTX 4060 graphics card, ensuring an outstanding gaming experience. Price at $1,811, this model provides exceptional value for gamers seeking high-performance hardware without breaking the bank. With the impressive 13th Gen Intel Core i9-13900H processor and a host of top-tier features, this base model is a solid choice for gaming enthusiasts looking for an immersive gaming experience. Gamers seeking top-notch performance can indulge in the premium features of this top-end model, all for the price of $2,090. With a slight premium over the base model, this option promises an unrivaled gaming experience, delivering unparalleled graphics fidelity and smooth frame rates. In conclusion, the Lenovo Legion Y9000X 2023 gaming laptop is a true embodiment of gaming excellence. With its outstanding display, powerful performance, efficient cooling, immersive audio, and sleek appearance, this laptop stands ready to provide gamers with an unparalleled gaming experience. Lenovo continues to prove its commitment to innovation and pushing the boundaries of gaming technology, making the Legion Y9000X a highly anticipated addition to the Legion lineup. What do you think of the new gaming laptop? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.